The Amazon. Just the name conjures up images, a vast green ocean, sunlight dappled and struggling to reach the forest floor. The air thick with humidity, buzzing with unseen life. It's a place of mystery, a place of beauty, a place of danger. People are drawn to the Amazon for many reasons. Some seek adventure, some seek knowledge, some seek to escape the modern world, but the jungle welcomes no one easily. It is a harsh and unforgiving environment. Only the strong and the resourceful can survive. The Amazon is home to more species of plants and animals than any other place on Earth. But this abundance of life comes at a price. For every beautiful creature, there is one that can kill. For every delicious fruit, there is one that is deadly poisonous. The Amazon is not for the faint of heart. It is a place where death lurks around every corner. But it is also a place of incredible beauty and wonder. A place where the human spirit can be tested like nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon rainforest is teeming with predators. Jaguars, the apex hunters, stalk silently through the undergrowth. Their powerful jaws can crush bone, and they are just as comfortable in the trees as they are on the ground. Anacondas, giant snakes that can grow to over 20 feet long, lie submerged in murky waters. They are ambush predators, constricting their prey with deadly force. Their bite may not be venomous, but their grip is inescapable. Poison dart frogs, small and brightly colored, are a stark reminder that danger can come in the most unassuming packages. Their skin secretes a deadly toxin that can paralyze and kill in minutes. Even brushing against one can be fatal. Black caimans, relatives of alligators, patrol the rivers and streams. They are opportunistic hunters, feeding on fish, birds, and any other animals that venture too close to the water's edge. Their powerful tails and sharp teeth make them formidable predators. The dangers in the Amazon aren't limited to the animal kingdom. The plant life can be just as deadly. Many plants contain toxins that can cause a range of effects, from mild irritation to death. The Strychnos toxifera vine, for example, is the source of curare, a powerful muscle relaxant used by indigenous tribes for hunting. Curare blocks nerve impulses to the muscles, causing paralysis and eventually death by asphyxiation. Angels' trumpets, with their beautiful drooping flowers, contain potent hallucinogens. Ingestion can cause a range of symptoms, including rapid heartbeat, confusion, and violent behavior. In severe cases, it can lead to coma or death. The castor oil plant, while cultivated for its oil, is actually one of the most poisonous plants in the world. Its seeds contain ricin, a toxin that can cause organ failure and death within days. The Amazon basin is a place of extremes. The heat is oppressive, with temperatures often exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. The humidity is stifling, making it feel even hotter. The air is thick with moisture, making it difficult to breathe. The terrain is equally challenging. The rainforest is a dense, tangled labyrinth of vegetation. The ground is often muddy and slippery, making it easy to lose your footing. Thorns and spines are everywhere, tearing at your clothes and skin. Rivers and streams crisscross the forest, some too deep to wade across. The challenges of the environment can be just as dangerous as the animals and plants. Dehydration is a constant threat. Heat exhaustion can quickly set in. Getting lost is all too easy. Despite the dangers, people have survived incredible ordeals in the Amazon. Take the story of Juliana Köpke. In 1971, at just 17 years old, she survived a plane crash that killed everyone else on board. She then spent 11 days alone in the rainforest, battling hunger, dehydration, and the elements before being found by local fishermen. Or the story of Yossi Ginsberg, who in 1981 became separated from his companions while navigating the Bolivian rainforest. He spent 3 weeks lost and alone, surviving on berries and insects before being rescued by local tribesmen. These stories of survival are a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. They show that even in the face of unimaginable adversity, there is always hope. The Amazon is a breeding ground for diseases. Mosquitoes carrying malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever are a constant threat. Waterborne illnesses such as cholera and typhoid fever can be contracted from contaminated water sources. Leishmaniasis, a parasitic disease spread by sandflies, can cause disfiguring skin sores and organ damage. Even seemingly minor cuts and scrapes can quickly become infected in the hot, humid environment. Without proper medical attention, these infections can turn deadly. The sheer number of insects in the Amazon is astounding. Mosquitoes, as mentioned before, are a constant nuisance and a vector for disease, but they are just the tip of the iceberg. Army ants, marching in columns millions strong, can strip a carcass clean in hours. Bullet ants, with their excruciatingly painful sting, are said to deliver the most painful insect sting in the world. Botflies, parasitic flies whose larvae burrow under the skin, can cause painful infections. And then there are the spiders. From the giant huntsman spider to the venomous Brazilian wandering spider, these eight-legged creatures are a constant presence in the rainforest. For centuries, indigenous peoples have lived in harmony with the Amazon rainforest. They have learned to navigate its dangers and utilize its resources sustainably. Their knowledge of the rainforest's plants and animals is unparalleled. Sadly, the traditional way of life of many indigenous tribes is under threat. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining and agriculture, is destroying their ancestral lands. Diseases brought in from the outside world are ravaging their populations. Protecting the Amazon rainforest and its indigenous people is crucial, not just for the sake of biodiversity, but also for the preservation of invaluable cultural knowledge. Gap 3S. The rivers of the Amazon are as perilous as they are majestic. These waterways, which snake through the heart of the jungle, are fraught with danger. Strong currents can sweep away even the most experienced swimmers, while hidden obstacles lie in wait beneath the surface, ready to ensnare the unwary. But it's not just the physical hazards that make these rivers so treacherous. The waters teem with dangerous wildlife. Piranhas, with their razor-sharp teeth, can strip flesh from bone in minutes. Electric eels lurk in the murky depths, capable of delivering shocks powerful enough to incapacitate a person. Then there are the caimans and anacondas, masters of stealth and ambush, silently patrolling the waters in search of their next meal. Navigating these rivers requires not just skill, but a deep respect for the forces of nature. To cross the Amazon's waterways is to embrace the unknown, to face the very real possibility of peril, and to emerge with a story of survival against the odds. The rivers of the Amazon are a testament to the untamed spirit of the jungle, a reminder that in this vast wilderness, danger is never far away. Gap 3S. The Amazon rainforest, with its dense foliage and vast expanse, is home to some of the most venomous creatures on Earth. These silent predators lurk in the shadows, their presence often unnoticed until it's too late. Deep within the undergrowth, the Amazonian pit viper lies in wait. With its heat-sensing pits, this snake can detect the slightest movement, striking with precision and delivering a potent dose of venom. Its bite can cause intense pain, swelling, and even death if left untreated. Creeping through the forest floor, the Brazilian wandering spider is a master of stealth. Known for its aggressive behavior and potent venom, this arachnid's bite can lead to severe pain, paralysis, and in some cases, fatality. It hides in dark, secluded places, ready to strike at any moment. In the canopy above, the vibrant yet deadly poison dart frog leaps from leaf to leaf. And despite its small size, this amphibian carries enough toxin to kill multiple humans. Indigenous tribes have long used their poison for hunting, coating their darts with the frog's lethal secretion. These venomous creatures play a crucial role in the ecosystem, controlling pest populations and maintaining balance. However, for humans, an encounter with any of these deadly inhabitants can be a matter of life and death. Surviving in the Amazon means not just avoiding the obvious dangers, but also being ever vigilant of the hidden threats that lurk in every corner. The venomous creatures of the Amazon are a stark reminder of the jungle's relentless and unforgiving nature. Gap 3S. Despite the Amazon's many dangers, there are remarkable stories of human resilience and survival. These tales speak volumes about the strength of the human spirit and the will to overcome insurmountable odds. Take the story of Julianne Koepke, a 17-year-old girl who survived a plane crash in 1971. Alone and injured, she navigated the dense jungle for 11 days, relying on her instincts and basic survival knowledge. She followed streams and rivers, knowing they would eventually lead to civilization. Her incredible journey ended when she was rescued by local fishermen, a testament to her unyielding determination and resourcefulness. Another awe-inspiring story is that of Yossi Ginsberg. In 1981, Yossi and his friends ventured into the uncharted territories of the Amazon. After becoming separated from his group, Yossi survived for 3 weeks on his own, battling hunger, infections, and the relentless elements. His story of survival was later immortalized in the book and movie Jungle, inspiring many with his perseverance and grit. Then there's Ed Stafford, a British explorer who became the first person to walk the entire length of the Amazon River. His journey took over 2 years and presented countless challenges, from hostile wildlife to extreme weather conditions. Ed's unwavering spirit and sheer determination saw him through, proving that the human will can conquer even the harshest environments. These real-life survival stories remind us that even in the face of the Amazon's unforgiving nature, the human spirit is capable of extraordinary feats. They are a testament to the power of hope, courage, and the unbreakable will to survive. Each story echoes the resilience required to face the daunting challenges of the jungle and emerge victorious. As we reflect on these incredible tales, we are reminded of our own potential for resilience and strength, even in the most daunting of circumstances. The Amazon rainforest is a place of immense beauty, astonishing biodiversity, and constant danger. It is a place that tests the limits of human endurance. Yet despite the challenges, people continue to be drawn to its mysteries. Whether driven by a thirst for adventure, a desire to connect with nature, or a need to escape the modern world, those who venture into the Amazon are forever changed by the experience. They emerge with a newfound appreciation for the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. The Amazon is a reminder that we are but one small part of a vast and interconnected web of life. It is a place that demands respect, humility, and a willingness to learn from its ancient wisdom.